Darating na si Ola! Olala! At saka kasama niya syempre si Granda.
Work is almost over, summer's getting closer.
Hi mga Zoo! Good morning, and this is the first day na I'm 40. Oops! Wait lang! Hello?
Kung grab food po, dito na po ako sa 31 po.
Ah, sige po. Pinalabas ko na po.
Salamat po.
Thank you. Actually guys, sorry. That's the Grab, yung tumawag. Kasi, nagpa-grab si Iman ng pagkain dahil hindi na siya makabili ng food. Dahil naglilikpit pa rin kami, tinutulungan niya kami na maglinis sa bahay. Teka lang, text ko lang yung gaya yan. Pinalabas ko na si Ina. So, nandito kami ngayon sa Wilcon dahil ano ba yan? Okay na eh. Okay na, kausap ko na yung Grab. Bibili kami ng toilet seat. Dahil yung toilet seat yun. Toilet na inuupuan guys. Dahil yung isa naming nabili masyadong malaki para dun sa aming tawag dito? Powder room.
Masyadong mahaba.
Masyado siya mahaba. Si Andy, tumatama
Yung knees ko.
yung knees niya. So this one, medyo 10 meters ano siya, back, no?
10 centimeters. That's what we're looking for.
10 centimeters back. So yun yung kailangan naming makuha dito sa Wilcon. So we're here now. As you can see, I love Wilcon! We just need to hurry going back kasi si Mimi susunduin namin. So, halika na. And we're back in the car, mga Zoobs. Nakabili na kami ng kailangan namin sa aming powder room. Actually, pagkapasok namin ni Andy, may nakita na agad kami, yun na yun. Sabi ko, wait lang, we need to check other seat kasi, other toilet kasi baka naman may mas maganda pa. Pero we end up buying kung ano yung una naming nakita. It's just a matter of colors kung ano yung pipiliin namin. It's only white or black. Mas maganda siya. Ipapalala move na lang kasi hindi kaya ng sasakyan namin. Kaya naman kasi masikip. As you can see, meron pa kaming mga gamit dito. Si Mimi. Baka mainis siya kasi aming gamit. Kinuha pa namin yan kanina sa condo dahil meron pa kaming last na gamit. Pero na-turn over na namin yung condo ulit sa may-ari. Dahil yun na nga, nag-farewell na kami doon kanina. And now, we are going to get Mimi and hahatid namin siya sa house. Mahihirapan na maglinis si Ima. Kakain mo na ba tayo? O later na? Kasi dito.
I don't know. I'm super hungry now.
Okay. So, we'll bring Mimi to eat chicken muna. Mag-break tayo ng sandali.
Now what time? We have to be at the airport. Hilton
Airport?
later, diba?
Yeah, doon na tayo mag-dinner siguro. Mango tree. Sarap.
Actually, I think Dad would enjoy it.
Yeah, your dad will be here nga pala. Yeah, we will go to Hilton later guys kasi darating na yung mom and dad ni Andy. Bakasyon ulit nila.
They just left.
Kaalis lang nila ng January, back again ng April.
Maka 4 times a year ulit.
Kasi nandito na tayo eh. All home.
We haven't tried that.
Kasi we have to be back kapag naglinis later. O tama ka, parang kaya. And then, maybe we gym at Hilton. Kaso lang, syempre, you have to spend time with your dad and mom. So,
Wala si Ima.
oh my.
If we
But
eat
Ima
na,
kasi needs to clean pa talaga.
but if we eat now, and then
Ang hirap pag-schedule namin, no?
if we eat now and then
Go back
we
by the
rest a
time
bit,
ng BCP.
and then we let just stay with the kids that Ima can clean. By the time she finished cleaning, then we can leave to go to the gym. We only need about an hour and a half to digest. Then we can be done by 4.
Oh, kasi I asked my mom to go to the house so that she can help Ima to clean. Hopefully, matapos lahat ng mga paper bags namin and eco bags na nasa floor. Kulang yung cabinet namin, mga Zoobs.
Next step is getting all the stuff from your mum's one by one. We can't do it all in one. We gotta do it box by box.
Yeah, kasi wala tayong paglalagyan.
That's why. So we gotta decide if we're gonna get rid of it or like give
Parang
it away.
kailangan natin ng cabinets for linens, for towels. I think we can put that outside the door. Tingin mo?
And yeah.
Katabi ng shurak.
We might need to utilize that space pala.
Pati shurak. Remember?
I'm just gonna put my shoes in the TV rack, like how we
baba?
did. Yeah. But the shoes never go inside the house.
Babe, you have a lot of shoes. Hindi yun kakasya doon.
Ang daming
space.
And then we buy those IKEA foot things so that you can fit 2. Okay.
But that's to follow naman. We have lots of time organizing everything this week. The problem is your mom is here, so I have to go back and forth sa Hilton. Kasi hindi na kami kumuha ng room. Wala namang traffic ngayong Holy Week eh. So we can just go back and forth. Hindi na kami doon matutulog. Tsaka mahal kasi din mga Zoobs ang hotel ngayon dahil Holy Week nga at maraming tao sa mga hotels. Ganun na lang ang mangyayari. Para by the time na mag-check out sila sa hotel, first time makikita ng mommy at daddy mo yung bahay natin. They need to see it clean.
Well, dad's gotta see it right away kasi
tomorrow. Yeah, tama. So ayan, ang dami na namin napag-usapan for the past 5 minutes. And kanina walang traffic. Ngayon, medyo slow siya kasi ang daming sasakyan.
Ang daming truck kasi.
Oo, ang daming truck. Ito dapat, kasi last day today.
Bridge na.
Oh, pa-bridge na.
I was gonna go White Plains, but I figure it's probably no better.
Diyan lang naman yan kasi kaya may traffic dito sa bridge, sa ilalim. Diba? At doon sila sumisikip dahil minsan pa-left sila, pa-right yung iba. We can do this. So many things to do for this half day of work. Kaya medyo madalian. So ayun mga Zoobs, I'll update you kapag siguro nandun na kami sa lunch.
I wasted all my time, I wasted all my nights, I wasted it on someone who's indifferent. He didn't love me right, he told me I was blind, but I never really wanted to listen. You have been here since day one.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Yeah! Yeah! Malinis na. Spotless. Malinis na ang bahay namin. Ayoko na magpakita masyado lahat dahil alam niyo na galing ng BCB. Hi mga Zoobs! Nandito kami sa kotse and pupunta kami kasi ng Hilton. Si Mimi nakatulog na. Nahawakan ko yung ulo niya kasi bumabagsak. Mali ang kanyang pagkakapwesto. Andito kami ngayon dahil magdi-dinner kami. Kasama ko yung family. And dito rin kasi darating na si Ola. Olala. At saka kasama niya syempre si Granddad. So, ito na. Arriving na kami. And sabi ni Ola na iintay na lang sila ng maleta nila. And then magkikita-kita na kami in a while. So, I'll update you.
You know that I'm the queen of overthinking. It's just like we're done before we even started. So if this is the end now, baby, know that I gave it my all. I believe in us, I won't give up on you. I will be holding on for life. Hope you believe in us, please don't give up on me. At least give me a try. 'Cause you're the best thing, the best thing. You're the best thing that I've ever had. You're the best thing, the best thing. You're the best thing. 'Cause you're the
Ayan, may mga gifts. Galing kay Ola. Ano yan, Memes? Oh, ang ganda yung shoes mo. Sparkly. Ano to?
Gamot.
No, actually that one that you gave me, Ma. I'm okay now.
Wala kay Joy.
Ah, wow! May gift din ako. Is this a gift?
Ay, wala pa ng gift si Andy.
Vlog.
That's yours.
Wow! Leggings.
Parang pwede sleep gear. Sis, masyadong skinny ka
Ay, ito sa
na.
inyo din.
Ang ganda nito, Ola. Glasses.
Yan ba yan?
Oo, yung flare.
Gusto mo yan?
Oo.
Small.
Want to show me your gift?
It's a big one.
Lele,
Yeah.
show me yours.
And this.
Thank you.
I'm
Wow.
pouring out of my other one.
Ah,
Mimi, nasa bag
That was
ko.
her request.
I don't know if this is
underwear.
fashion
Then she
sa'yo.
got also some matching shoes here.
Ayan.
From Adi.
Hey, is that new as well?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yan yung
Wow.
request nila.
Gusto mo ba yan? How come you know? She knows where it is.
Take it
Look.
off.
Yeah, she knows
And
that
their
one.
toy.
Cigarette from my
Baka,
bag.
sa loob, di ko alam.
Ito oh. Matching, Joy.
Wow naman. Matching always.
Ay, kay
And
Ali.
it's
Kay
mine.
Mimi. Mimi, oh.
Mimi shorts.
Ito kay
Ah,
Ali.
pang
oh.
school mo to.
Wow, you got some shorts for...
This is
Pwede ba yun sa school? Para
Ito,
na
matching.
going out na lang. Mimi, can I see your new shoes?
Yung Coles. Malinis yan, tita. Tita.
Ang ganda naman yung new shoes mo.
Tita.
Yung hair mo.
this one.
Mimi, your hair. Let me see.
Tita.
Let me see your hair. Wow, thank you, Ola.
Oo, nilagyan ko nitong jam.